Now direction cosines of a line, if a line makes angles alpha, beta and gamma with positive direction of x axis, then cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma are called the direction cosines of the line. अगर कोई लाइन एक्स एक्सिस के पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन के साथ अल्फा बीटा, पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन मीन्स एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द 3D. So plane will different. In that situation we draw the direction vectors. So okay, or direction lines. So if direction lines makes angle alpha, beta and gamma with positive direction of x axis, then cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma, these are called the direction cosine, and this is represented by L, M and N. इसका एक रिमार्क होता है बेटा, बिना प्रूफ देखें. Sum of squares of direction cosines of a line L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. After that, direction ratios. If L upon A is equal to M upon B is equal to N upon C is equal to lambda scalar, then A, B, C are called direction ratios. It means what? It means the three numbers proportional to the direction cosines are called the direction ratios. ठीक है, इस पर आप निकालें इसको. Now suppose that this one ले, so from this check it. L is equal to A lambda, M is equal to B lambda and N is equal to C lambda. Now L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. It means what? Lambda square common करो, A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 1. So lambda is equal to plus minus 1 upon under root A square plus B square plus C square. Therefore L is equal to what? Just check L is equal to A lambda. So this is equal to plus minus A upon under root A square plus B square plus C square. M is equal to plus minus B upon under root A square plus B square plus C square, and N is equal to plus minus C upon under root A square plus B square plus C square. Means what? इसका मतलब क्या है? When direction ratios ABC are the direction ratios and we have to find out direction cosines of the line, then we apply this formula. A is equal to plus minus A upon under root A square B square plus C under root. M is equal to N and N is equal to this. Now direction ratios of the line passing through 2 points. Suppose that there is a line passing through two points x1, y1, z1 and b x2, y2 and z2. Then A is equal to x2 minus x1, B is equal to y2 minus y1 and C is equal to z2 minus z1. A, B, C are direction ratios. मीन्स व्हाट? अगर कोई भी लाइन 2 पॉइंट से पास हो रही है और उसका डायरेक्शन रेशियो बेटा आपको चाहिए है, तो आप एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट से y कोऑर्डिनेट माइनस y कोऑर्डिनेट, z कोऑर्डिनेट माइनस z कोऑर्डिनेट अगर आप ऑप्ट करोगे, देन वी विल गेट द डायरेक्शन ratios of the line. And if direction ratios are given, then we can find direction cosines of the line with respect to this. अब इसको कंक्लूड करो, अगर लाइन या उसका डायरेक्शन लाइन एक्स एक्सिस के पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन के साथ अल्फा एंगल बना रही है, वाई एक्सिस के पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन के साथ बीटा एंगल बना रही है, जेड एक्सिस के पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन के साथ गामा एंगल बना रही है, देन cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called the direction cosine. It is denoted by L, M and N. Next is what? Three numbers proportional to the direction cosines are called the direction ratios. Any three numbers. So A, B, C are here direction ratios. If direction ratios are given and we have to find out the direction cosines, then we apply this formula. If a line is passing through 2 points, means coordinates of 2 points is given and we have to find out the direction cosines, not ratio, then what we will do? First we will find the direction ratios ABC, और जैसे ही direction ratio मिल जाएगा, apply this formula, we will get the direction cosines. Is it okay? It's all for the direction ratios and direction cosines.